Hello and greetings to Madam N as our lecturer for subject DUE 532 Communicative English 3. So today me and my partner are going to present the road accidents in Malaysia. So let me introduce ourselves first.
Hi, my name is Akmal Lukman Hakim bin Haidil and my matrix number is 05 DPB4A. So these are the content that we are going to present, which is the first part is we go through the introduction and the causes. The second part is the road accident statistics. The third part is the road accident total death statistics, and the last part, which is the conclusion. As for the first part, we go to the introduction first. What is road accident actually? I believe that there are people, especially for the road users, know about this road accident. Road accident are meant that when some automobiles crash together, or the vehicle crash on the side of the road, or hitting other people. So in Malaysia, there are a lot of road accident happen actually. Number of accident cases in Malaysia also have been increased day by day. In every day, they had many people had died in the road accident. So if there is an accident, it must be cause of it. So the first cause is speeding, where the road users often to drive at extreme speed. Secondly is hitting the red light, where this happens a lot in Malaysia. The thirdly is driving a vehicle that is not maintained, which can be the main cause of the biggest traffic incident. The fourth one is drunk driving and causing the driver to lose control. The fifth one is using the phone while driving is an offense, and the last one is not signaling or giving signal when changing lanes or turning into an intersection. So all these causes can contribute to the increase in accidents on the road. As for the second part, we go through the road accident statistics. So in the table, these are the total road accidents by states in Malaysia across the years from 2008 until 2017. So in the table, as you can see, there are years from 2008 until 2017 and the increase of total number of the road accident in Malaysia. As you can see in the bar graph, the blue bar representing the total of road accidents in Malaysia. We start from 2008. From 2008 until 2010, the total number increased moderately from 373,071 to 414,421 cases. From 2010 until 2011, it slightly raised from 414,421 to 449,040 cases. Meanwhile, from 2011 until 2013, the cases rise steadily until from 449,040 to 477,204 cases. From 2013 to 2014, the graph slide very small from 4,077,204 to 476,196 cases. Then from 2015 to 2017, the cases increased suddenly from 489,606 to 533,875 cases in Malaysia. So for the next part, we go and pass through Mr. Sharul to representing about the total of death caused by the road accidents. Please, Mr. Sharul.
I will be presenting the second bar chart. As you can see, the second bar chart illustrates the total death caused by road accident in the year 2008 and 2017 by state in Malaysia. It can be seen the number of cases increased rapidly from 6,527 cases in 2008 to to 6,745 cases in 2009, and it kept climbing until 6,917 cases in the year 2012. In the year 2013, the number of cases slightly decreased to 6,915, which is only 2 cases in difference, and go on until it reached 6,674 cases in the year 2014, but it bounced back and suddenly climbed to 6,706 cases in the year 2015 and 7,152 cases in 2016. But we can see the number of cases dropped gradually to 6,740 cases in the year 2017. Overall, you can see the graph trend, which is at first it increased in the year 2008 until 2012, but it slowly decreased from the year 2013 until 2014. The trend going up again suddenly climbed in the year 2015 and 2016, and then the trend goes back down on the year 2017.
So we go to the last part, which is the conclusion. So these are the way or tips to avoid from the road accident happen. The first one is always be alert while driving to the surrounding environment. The second one is don't drive drunk, which can cause the driver to be unconscious while driving. The third one is never exceed the speed limit by complying with the speed limit set by the authorities. The fourth one is ignore abnormal driver or crazy driver and focus only on your driving. And the last one is to choose a safe car before starting the journey so that the accident tragedy can be avoided.
To conclude our presentation, the statistics of accidents show us something very crucial. We must focus on preventing accidents because they can lead to fatalities, severe injuries, mental trauma, and financial loss. External or environmental factors, including adverse weather, which are outside of our control, as driver and road user, contribute to many accidents. However, the majority of accidents are caused by perceived risk and human error. If we take the necessary precautions, we can avoid this. For instance, we must make sure that we never drive while intoxicated, like under the influence of alcohol or drug. That we always perform our routine maintenance on our vehicle, and that we never drive carelessly and drive while we are feeling sleepy, because doing so will not only save our own life but also save the life of those around us, the other road user. I guess that's all from me. Thank you for watching and listening to our presentation.